Alrighty guys, we're here at in downtown Carmel, here at Carmel City Center, and we have this elevator here that we're gonna ride. Here it is. Let's go down to those floors. The buzz is terrible. Here we go. Motor. Here we are at the plaza level. This is technically the parking elevator. I can't open. Alright, let's go down to it's a nice elevator cab. They actually replaced these buttons with Mad BS Moon. Very interesting. And we're in the video at the plaza level. For a public elevator, this isn't too bad. And here is the floor map, or the map of the whole area here. And I guess that is going to be it for me.